Yes, sir. 2 letters, 1 word, the meaning of life. Yeah. How we doing? Previously on Kimba TV. So it took a while to happen, but we got it. Now, for example, what kind of structure did I say that I wanted, EU? What kind of structure did I say I wanted? Okay. I haven't even been here. How could it possibly be fucked up already? There we go. Yeah! Juice. Make it juice. Let's go. Yeah. How we doing? Markets are gonna open 2 minutes. There's 700 Bitcoin, 800 Bitcoin, 1500 Bitcoin, 1600 Bitcoin getting shorted right here. 66.1, 66.110. You know what that means, boy. Ghosted BTC says, have you done the 5-minute TA? Nothing's changed since the Discord post over the weekend. Right? So, do you have any questions? I mean, I still think 67.5, 68, brother. Yeah, let me know if you have any questions, Ghost BTC, but I don't think anything's really changed since the weekend Discord posts that I shared. So let me know if you have any questions. I'm going to check the Discord post. Yeah, it's about I mean, you could have had that information 3 days ago. Make sure you're always checking the Discord. But any long TPs or targets would be 67.5, that zone. All right. Die Already says Weeks has different fee rates on their site, Maker Taker. That's because you have to be signed up under Kimba Gang, motherfucker. Only Kimba Gang members get this, boy. As always. That's only for Kimba Gang. Exclamation Weeks. Let's go. So I have a whole bunch of longs already opened. Did you get caught up on the Discord post? Did you read the Discord plans from Friday and Saturday? Biggie Smalls, you good? Good morning, Blake Clap, Flecka. Yeah, I mean, make sure that you're caught up on all the highlights and all the, Discord posts, and we've been talking about all this for quite some time. So there you go. This is the daily. All right, and we can actually take the blue lines off, but yeah, we're gonna be looking for, I mean, the next level of interest would be right around that 67.5, 68 zone. It's where all the single prints are on CME. So, all right. But yeah, I think how did I articulate the post? How did as any long would have a target of 67.5 on CME next. So if you're in a long, yeah, maybe around the single prints you start shaving a little bit. And if you wanted to look for a short, maybe you start looking for stuff up there, but I'm a big level to level guy. So if that yellow line, the one that we're coming up on, is at 66966 and the next one is at 70,000, it's pretty hard for me to even short the single print. So a lot of people I bet are going to shave around the 67.5, 68. And so it wouldn't surprise me if we get a pullback to like 67, but I would think that gets turned into support and then we can rotate all the way to 70K. All right. Hey, we're juicing. Come on. Got me dancing it. We gotta go with the remix, y'all. How we doing, Lions? Y'all juicing? Y'all juicing?
Good shape, motherfucker. The math is the math.
Failtastic says, I pity the shorters at the moment. Well, I mean, we've been keeping an eye on them for quite some time, you know? They're gonna get kacho shibud. So from the bottom, you still have 113 million in shorts open, yo. Juice, 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 juice. Math, 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 math. Let's go. Happy Tuesday, motherfuckers. Ooh, it's too easy. It's too easy, boy. Let's go. Juice, 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 juice. Let Duce. Yeah. Math, 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 math. I'm telling y'all, man. Level to level, man. Not that hard, man. Let's go. Let's go. Let's go. I'm strong, ho. Bitch. Juice. Let's go. I'm strong. Is you strong? Let's go. Math is math, bitch. Oh, swiggity swag, ho. Easy. Juice, 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 juice. Man. Useless Lines Productions. How? Let's go. Math, math, single prints, ho, single prints, ho, single prints, ho. Grab it, grab it, grab it. Let's go. Yeah, single prints all grabbed. Let's go. Easy, easy, easy. Bitch, bitch. Sheba. Gotcha. So we can't predict the future, but I think we do a pretty good job of identifying levels. You know what I'm saying? Easy money, Bugatti money. You heard me? All right, well, 26 minutes on the 30-minute candle close. And we doing it. Look. So we'll see. We'll keep an eye on this hoe. Am I right? Blookers just got here. What did I miss? Nothing, man. I mean, it's the same plans from the weekend Discord posts. So we just grabbed all the CME single prints. Like I said, this is like the third or fourth time I'm saying it now. It wouldn't surprise me if people shave a little bit on their long here. And I'm a big level to level guy. So to the upside, you know what I'm looking at. And to the downside, you know what I'm looking at. And you single prints are there. So, you know, obviously turning this into support or even turning this into support would be ideal. You're going to have mathematical confluence already. You know what I mean? So either the 382 holds or it goes to the golden pocket again. And that's okay. All right. And if some of y'all wanted to short, well, here you go. You got 26 minutes, 25 minutes and change on the 30-minute candle structure. So I don't know. I don't think I could really short until 70 now because we just punctured 67. So maybe if we do a failed auction off of 67, so maybe something like this. Yeah, we'll see. Well, now we're going to see, you know, because there's going to be TPing that starts. You Gucci? Blukes, but that's about it, man. Exclamation rewind and just get caught up. But all of that stuff, I don't think I really needed tell you guys. I think for the most part, you guys can kind of figure that out. So, you know, we're not in the business of trying to predict the future. I don't know if this is going to reject from now or not, but we do know that this is where the CME single prints were. It just got grabbed. All right. So if it does a swing fail in 25 minutes, if the 30-minute candle closes like that, some of you guys are going to try to get in on a little thangity thing. Schwiggity! Is this making sense? It's good to be back. I miss y'all. How y'all doing? Happy Tuesday! Damon, any questions? Kemi, any questions? Damon, did you read the Discord posts? Failtastic, Jedi's Kirk, Elamella, Rem. You guys good? So, I mean, of course, there was volatility, ups and downs, bing bong ding dongs, okay? But just now, we got the conclusion of the weekend Discord post. We grabbed the 67.5, 68 single prints, okay? So, for example, hands up if you guys are already in a short. I like it. That's hella aggressive. But maybe you're like hedge shorting, you know what I mean? But to each their own. But if you're already in a short right now, I would assume you can tell me if there are any hidden or regular bear divs on the higher time frame. Is there? When we went up, did longs open or did shorts get closed? Alrighty. You guys want to talk about anything? So some of you guys are waiting for the 30-minute candle close. That's okay, right? But what do you guys think about identifying the level? Elamella says, kimchi guy have diarrhea, I'm sure. Look, like one of these days, if it hasn't been already, we're going to take turns being the guys that get got. You know? So Elamella, maybe today we're juicing. But best believe that at any moment, we could easily slip and fall into kimchi gang again. You know? So how do you prevent such things? Well, you don't get so greedy and you put stop loss and profit. You know? The days that you don't lose, those are wins. Mandela, do you want me to go into 10 mil maybe? Do you want me to show you 10 mil or maybe smaller volume? Yeah, but here, so just real quick again, this is what we're dealing with, y'all. We still have, and this is just on this trading pair, you have 113 million underwater shorts from the 52 bottom. Alrighty, so let's just kind of, this is kind of what you probably need to be looking at the most on the higher time frame. And then let's zoom in, go to the 10. This is where we're at on the smaller. So there you go. You stole my cookie. Remember, you stole my cookie. A lot of that can be avoided by one of the most important protocols that we always talk about, right? You should have levels to the upside, levels to the downside, all marked out. Volume-based levels, time-based levels, mathematical-based levels, imbalances like single prints, right? Bad high, good high, you know, bad low, good low, all that shit, and just anticipate. All right. Did you miss the next plan? So, you know, not really surprising because there's different ways that you can individually interpret it. You know, really aside from that single print imbalance, the next thing is your TPO point of control and then all of these levels. So it's a big void. You know, somebody like me, it would be hard for me to short like once we penetrated this until we get here. You know, you can obviously always kind of see that if it's not bouncing, then it's gonna it's level to level. So once this one kind of lost, then you would be thinking here. And then if you were here earlier, that's exactly the next level that I'm looking at. So yeah, just make sure that you have shit like that marked, and then obviously you would do it for Coinbase and CME. And so that box is the CME top. So however way you want to interpret it, some people that are hella bearish, that's really the only other short opportunity until maybe 70. For somebody like me, I'd be a little bit more like, I don't mind getting it to come back, but I would maybe entertain a long. But yeah, let's see. You're going to have this coming up soon. How many of you guys are going to take this? It'll be a confirmation of the 3 waves. If it stays below blank. Any questions? That being said, hopefully end of this year through end of next year, bullish. That's why I said century candles, decade candles. The smaller time frame though, we might still get one more scam pump, you know what I mean? Let's go, let's go, let's go. Yeah, so what do you guys think? Any questions? Yeah, like 64 needs to be support, right? So if it, hold on, stop the music, stop the music. If you've been here since the beginning, feel free to ask me whatever you want. All right. If you were here at the beginning of the day, what do you guys think about the single print identification? What do you guys think about the single print identification? Give it up for the box. Give it up for the box. Give it up for y'all boxes. Do you guys have a way to look at CME single prints?
Motherfucker, the math is the math.
Okay, can I get a Kimba yes if you would like me to start another YouTube stream fully dedicated to just CME levels? So you would love to see like a CME version of this. Maybe a CME book map. Oh shit. CME book map, is that possible? That's it. How many of y'all would like to see maybe some Addis? Yeah, maybe know where the fuck the bad highs and bad lows are. Yeah, okay. We might be working on that. But give it up for the single prints, right? Whether it was derivatives or thangity thangs, right? I did not short. You know what I mean? You guys could hear my hesitation, right? So I didn't short that, but I didn't get stopped out on the longs. Shout outs to people in longs, shout outs to people in shorts. None of that shit matters. I don't care if you missed. How many of y'all were here when we talked about, you know, possibly going down here? Remember when I was like, I don't think you want to get down that low? Okay, everything is Gucci. You know what I mean? It was so bullish that it didn't even want to go down here. So being able to identify that level, and like I said, a lot of people were going to be TPing their longs there, and that's totally fine. Okay, so shout outs to people that shorted that. I did not. If I were to take a short, you know, it's going to be that box now, all the way through maybe like the 1.25. Again, the same hesitation that we talked about. I'm a big level to level guy. So you're kind of, you know, the further away that you extend from that 67, I think, you know, 70 with the single prints up there. Y'all know what it is. So I think if you've been able to follow along since the beginning of the day, you know what the risks are, but I did not short that initial move up there, but now the probability, I might entertain that. So what I would like to see is a swing fail and closing back above 67953. All right. Hector says, what are you looking for in that box to take a short? Hector, I can't predict what's going to come through. Of course, I would love top longs. I would also like shorts to get stopped out, right? I bet a lot of people got into that short. I think that was an obvious short, but I think the real juicy short is going to be after those guys get stopped out, right? Or at 70K. Right? And y'all saw that there's 130 mil still left on underwater shorts, right? Dr. Man says, can we see EXO? Yeah, it hasn't really changed. I'm zoomed out on this big thing. Is that okay? So I have it set to the low down there. You're looking at, okay, now you have 100 mil. You know? I would assume, brother, that these guys are not going to get stopped out until at least here. Oh, sorry. There you go. There you go, Dr. Manhattan. I'm going to assume that the 100 mil still left in shorts, they're going to get squeezed at 70. However, Hector, if we just see this completely collapse at right here, would you be mad at me if I take market smash? I would assume they're not going to get stopped out until up there. But, you know, this isn't a bad area, but I'm a big level to level guy, so unless it's like structural, you know what I mean, and his swing fails right back in, you've got TPO, point of control, and single prints aligned with other volume, so this is the better one. All right. Y'all Gucci. So let's do it, man. Let's, you know, but we're just, yeah. I mean, I'm hoping we can hit our home run. All right. Pretty crazy. We're getting there, homies. I mean, hey, y'all remember when I was long here? Round trip. Long, round trip. Missed that long. Got it. Missed it. Got it. Got it. Well, this one we didn't get. Yeah. It's been quite a journey to get up to this area, huh? Exclamation YouTube. Bugatti money. And don't forget bitcoincharts.live. Type into your browser bitcoincharts.live and then say hi YouTube. Say hi YouTube. Say something in the YouTube chat. Say Bugatti money. No, not bitcoin.live. I wish it's bitcoincharts.live. bitcoincharts.live. Like that. Type that into your browser. Bugatti juice. Woo! Look at the homies. Bugatti juice. Aussie, Sin Lee, Norbetas. Bugatti. Yeah. Easy money, Bugatti money, ladies and gentlemen. BitcoinCharts.live. Math is math. How many of y'all are thinking of, please don't put blind limits in unless you know exactly what you're doing, but how many of y'all are going to take that structural edge short? Yay or nay? Or shall we just wait for 70? How many of y'all want to TP a little at 70? Or should we just not pussyfoot and just wait for 82? At least. Bugatti juice. But you guys doing all right? Happy Tuesday, man. It's good to be back. Juice. Love you guys, man. Stay safe out there now. Exclamation weeks! Exclamation. What do you guys want to? What do you guys want me to give away another 10K on tomorrow? What exchange? All right, Sato. Tell them what happens if people don't use stop loss, Sato.
Hacha!